For years, fans of Toyota trucks have been asking the same question. When will Toyota bring back a diesel-powered Tundra? It's a conversation that never seems to end among enthusiasts, work truck owners, and off-road fans alike. And now, the rumors swirling around the 2026 Toyota Tundra Diesel are suggesting that this could finally be the year that Toyota redefines full-size diesel performance. With monster-level torque, next-gen technology, and a design meant to rival the toughest competitors from Ford, Ram, and Chevrolet. The whispers started quietly. A few insider leaks, a couple of test mule sightings in Texas, and a handful of trademark filings hinting at new engine names. Then, suddenly, everything exploded. Auto forums and industry blogs began buzzing. The diesel Tundra is coming back, and it's going to blow minds. While Toyota has yet to officially confirm it, let's explore everything we know and everything we expect about what could be one of the biggest truck stories of 2026. A diesel comeback worth the wait. The Tundra has always been a symbol of Toyota's determination to compete with America's full-size titans. Since its debut in 1999, it has carved out a loyal following, especially among owners who appreciate Toyota's legendary reliability. However, despite its many strengths, there has always been one missing piece: a diesel option. For over a decade, fans have been craving a Tundra that could deliver the kind of grunt and efficiency seen in rivals like the Ram 2500 Cummins or the Ford F-250 Powerstroke. Toyota dabbled with the idea back in the mid-2010s, even developing a prototype 5.0-liter Cummins V8 diesel for the Tundra. But that engine never made it to production, reportedly due to emissions hurdles and cost constraints. Now, however, the landscape has changed. Stricter emissions laws, electrification trends, and the growing popularity of hybrid diesel systems have pushed automakers to innovate, and Toyota has been leading that charge. The 2026 Tundra Diesel could be Toyota's response to both market demand and the company's own technological progress. Rumors from the ground, what insiders are saying. Toyota's development process is famously secretive, but insiders close to the company have hinted that a new diesel hybrid system could be in the works. This would combine the brute force of a turbocharged diesel engine with the smooth efficiency of Toyota's hybrid technology, possibly under the iForce Max diesel badge. One rumor points to a 3.3-liter twin-turbo diesel V6 being tested in overseas Toyota Land Cruiser models. This engine, already proven in markets like Australia and the Middle East, produces up to 304 horsepower and a staggering 700 Nm, 516 pounds-feet of torque. If adapted for the North American market and tuned further, it could easily cross 350 horsepower and 650+ pounds-feet of torque, putting it right in the territory of heavy-duty contenders. Other reports suggest Toyota might develop a larger 4.0-liter inline-six diesel derived from its global engine platform, codenamed GD4D. This unit could become a monster motor option for the 2026 Tundra Diesel, designed for towing, commercial, and off-road applications. The company has been quietly registering trademarks in North America, including phrases like iForce D and Tundra D Series, which have fueled further speculation that the diesel badge is indeed coming back, but this time, more advanced than ever. Monster power on the horizon. Let's be honest, what everyone wants to know is power. If Toyota really drops a diesel-powered Tundra in 2026, it's not just going to be about fuel economy or longevity. It's going to be about torque. The kind of torque that rips tree stumps out of the ground, pulls fifth-wheel trailers across mountains, and makes the road tremble under load. Industry watchers are predicting that the 2026 Toyota Tundra Diesel could deliver up to 700 pound-feet of torque in its top-spec form, potentially even more if paired with an electric assist motor in a mild hybrid configuration. Such a setup would put it in direct competition with Ford's 6.7-liter Powerstroke and Ram's 6.7-liter Cummins HO, but at a lower displacement and likely higher efficiency. Some even speculate that Toyota might call this engine the Mega Torque Diesel as part of a bold marketing move, emphasizing its monster pulling capability. While this name hasn't been confirmed, Toyota has used equally bold branding before, like iForce Max and GR Performance. If these predictions hold true, this new diesel power plant would mark one of Toyota's most impressive feats of modern engine engineering. The hybrid diesel theory. One of the most exciting speculative ideas circulating around the 2026 Tundra is the concept of a hybrid diesel drivetrain. Toyota, after all, is the global leader in hybrid technology, and combining that with diesel torque could create something truly extraordinary. Imagine a 3.3-liter turbo diesel V6 paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. The result? Instant low-end torque from both the electric motor and diesel turbochargers, seamless start-stop operation, and impressive efficiency, possibly pushing 28 mpg highway in a full-size truck. That's a game-changer. This hybrid diesel combo could also feature regenerative braking, electric torque assist, and a multi-mode driving setup allowing drivers to toggle between power, tow, eco, and off-road modes, each tuned for maximum performance under specific conditions. While Toyota has not confirmed such a configuration, the technology already exists within its hybrid systems used in the Land Cruiser 300 and Sequoia iForce Max. Adapting that tech to a diesel platform wouldn't be a stretch. Exterior and design: rugged, refined, and ready for battle. The 2026 Tundra Diesel is expected to carry forward the aggressive, squared-off styling of the current generation, but with a few distinct touches to set the diesel variant apart. Leaked CAD renderings and speculative designs show larger grille openings for better cooling, unique diesel power badging, and matte black bumpers hinting at its heavy-duty nature. Expect a revised front fascia with more aerodynamic cues, possibly even a power bulge on the hood to house the larger intercooler setup. The stance will likely remain wide and commanding. Toyota knows that diesel buyers want presence, not subtlety. The truck bed may also receive new utility features such as integrated power outlets, compressor air ports, and heavy-duty tie-down systems, designed for professionals who use their trucks as mobile work sites. In higher trims such as the rumored Platinum Diesel or TRD Pro Diesel, expect blackout accents, upgraded suspension tuning, and even Fox shock absorbers for off-road dominance. The 2026 model year could also introduce new color palettes inspired by Toyota's global off-road heritage, such as Desert Sand, Inferno Red, and Cement Gray. Interior, built for power and comfort. Toyota's approach to interiors has evolved dramatically in recent years. The new Tundra's cabin is already one of the most refined in its class, blending ruggedness with premium features. For the 2026 diesel model, Toyota is expected to go even further, focusing on utility, durability, and cutting-edge tech. Expect a massive 14-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and over-the-air OTA updates to optimize diesel performance and navigation. The gauge cluster might feature a dedicated boost and torque display, emphasizing the engine's raw capability. Diesel-specific features could include an exhaust brake toggle, DEF level indicator, and tow assist camera modes that help align trailers or monitor cargo in real time. For comfort, higher trims will likely offer ventilated leather seats, an upgraded JBL sound system, and advanced driver aids, all packaged in a cabin that balances work-ready toughness with long-haul comfort. Performance expectations, towing, payload, and beyond. If Toyota truly intends to make a statement, the 2026 Tundra Diesel must deliver class-leading performance. Rumors suggest a towing capacity north of 14,000 pounds and a payload rating approaching 2,000 pounds. That would firmly position it among the elite, rivaling the Ram 2500 and Ford F-250 in both power and capability, yet offering better efficiency and Toyota's trademark reliability. With diesel torque, low-end grunt will be immense. Expect a 0 to 60 time around 6.5 seconds, impressive for a truck of its size, thanks to instant torque and a responsive 10-speed automatic transmission. The drivetrain will likely include full-time four-wheel drive options, an electronically controlled transfer case, and advanced traction management systems. Toyota's multi-terrain select crawl control and trailer sway assist would come standard on higher trims, turning the diesel Tundra into a truly unstoppable powerhouse on and off the road. Fuel economy and range. Let's face it, diesel trucks aren't just about power, they're about endurance. One of the biggest advantages of diesel engines is their long-range efficiency. With the rumored hybrid diesel setup, the 2026 Tundra Diesel could achieve close to 28 to 30 mpg highway, with a potential driving range exceeding 800 miles on a full tank. That's an enormous advantage for long-haul drivers, construction fleets, and off-road adventurers who need both strength and stamina. If these numbers prove accurate, Toyota could finally deliver the perfect blend of muscle and mileage, something that's eluded full-size trucks for decades. Technology and safety innovations. Toyota has been investing heavily in its Safety Sense 3.0 platform, and the diesel Tundra will likely benefit from the latest iteration. Expect adaptive cruise control that works seamlessly with towing setups, lane centering even on rugged terrain, and blind spot monitoring tuned for long trailers. Additionally, Toyota is rumored to be developing a predictive load management system, which adjusts throttle response and transmission mapping based on weight detection in the bed or trailer. This feature could debut in the 2026 Tundra Diesel, further emphasizing Toyota's focus on smart, work-ready performance. Another exciting rumor involves a diesel performance app, allowing drivers to monitor boost pressure, torque curves, and even engine health diagnostics directly from the infotainment screen or smartphone. Price predictions and trims. While nothing is confirmed, speculative pricing for the 2026 Toyota Tundra Diesel suggests a starting MSRP of around $59,000 for the base SR5 diesel, climbing to about $78,000 for the fully loaded TRD Pro or Platinum diesel trims. That might sound steep, but given its rumored hybrid diesel system, premium powertrain technology, and monster torque, it could represent serious value compared to American HD rivals that easily exceed $90,000 when fully equipped. Competition. Toyota's diesel statement. When the 2026 Tundra Diesel lands, it will walk into a battlefield crowded with giants. Ford, Ram, and GM have long dominated diesel pickup markets, and even Nissan once tried, unsuccessfully, with its Titan XD Cummins experiment. However, Toyota's approach will likely focus on balanced performance rather than brute force alone. Instead of chasing the biggest displacement, Toyota is expected to prioritize efficiency, reliability, and everyday drivability, appealing to both professional users and weekend warriors. If Toyota can combine hybrid assistance, world-class durability, and unmatched efficiency, the Tundra Diesel could become the new benchmark for what a modern, full-size diesel truck should be. Expert expectations. What the industry thinks. Automotive analysts are already speculating that the 2026 Tundra Diesel could redefine its class. If Toyota can pull off a hybrid diesel combo with 700 pound-feet of torque and 30 mpg, it's not just a truck, it's a revolution, says Mike Taylor, senior editor at Truck Trend magazine. Similarly, powertrain engineer rumors from Japan suggest that Toyota's new diesel platform is being designed to handle both internal combustion and electrified boost modules, hinting that this could be Toyota's most flexible engine architecture ever. Others believe Toyota may use this diesel to bridge the gap until full electrification is ready for trucks, allowing customers to enjoy traditional diesel strength while preparing for future hybrid or EV evolution. Will it really happen? This is the big question, and the most speculative one of all. Toyota has not officially confirmed a diesel Tundra for North America. However, considering the strength of the global diesel market, increasing demand for heavy-duty towing, and Toyota's push for diverse powertrains, many insiders believe 2026 is the year it finally happens. Toyota has been steadily teasing new engine technology under the iForce Max label, and if one of those projects includes a diesel variant, the Tundra would be its natural home. After all, Toyota's pickup strategy has always revolved around durability and versatility, and a powerful diesel fits both perfectly. Final thoughts. A diesel dream worth waiting for. If the rumors hold true, the 2026 Toyota Tundra Diesel could be one of the most exciting trucks of the decade. Combining Toyota's proven engineering, a possible hybrid diesel twist, and monster torque figures that rival heavy-duty beasts, it represents a bold evolution of what a modern pickup can be. Even if it remains speculative for now, one thing is certain. Toyota is listening. The market wants diesel. The fans want torque. And the future of trucks still has room for fuel-burning legends, especially ones that push technology and toughness to new limits. Whether it's called I-Force Max Diesel, Mega Torque, or simply the Tundra Diesel, this truck could mark Toyota's triumphant return to diesel dominance. And when it does, you can bet it won't just meet expectations, it'll obliterate them.